Who's ready?
Okay, I
Oh,
can talk, I guess.
okay. Come on.
Okay,
Go
so
on.
the idea is to answer those questions, right? Like if I'm going to
Yeah,
explain it to
exactly.
to an
Uh-huh.
alien, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, if an alien asks me a question about like what is a game,
Mm-hmm.
or I can explain it this way.
Okay, I guess there's a
Not
problem with.
two people. Can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you. I couldn't hear you a second ago. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I said like I'll explain like a game is an event between two people or
Mm-hmm.
two personalities. I guess sometimes it can be versus a human or a robot or human
Mm-hmm.
itself. And the main purpose is to like get a winner. Like there'll be activities where we both have to participate in, and somebody has to come
Mm-hmm.
out first. So that's
Mm-hmm.
an idea of it, like a game. And
Mm-hmm.
also, um, why do? Sorry, can you bring up the question, second question again, like so I can see?
Uh, what is a game of football? Why are there no female players in the
Yeah.
game of football? Was the second one. Uh-huh.
Okay. So for uh, football game, based on research, I don't think there's any like there are female players, or based on my knowledge too, I don't think so. So I don't think I will know how to answer that. If I'll answer it based on what I know that only male they only have male footballers.
Really? You've never heard about girls playing football?
No, normal soccer, yes, but for American football, I don't think so.
No, 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 no. Oh, exactly. Normal soccer, not soccer, football.
Yeah, I
Football
know.
is the right name, not soccer, okay? Football.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, good. And so what was your answer?
okay. My answer will be they are female footballers, but not as like common as
Mm-hmm.
it's not as common as the male footballers too. And
Mm-hmm.
why do
Mm-hmm.
people enjoy
Mm-hmm.
watching
Mm-hmm.
the game? So there will be this kind of enjoyment of fun when you're like you derive from watching
Mm-hmm.
people play these games. And two people like
Mm-hmm.
if there are two opponents, they will like people from the audience, they will choose on the side they want to be on and support them. So whoever wins, they cheer them, and like that's the idea of supporting. That's why most people watch games, not for the fun of it. Most of the time, is to support like their team or support whoever they want to support during the game, and also
Okay.
they derive some kind of joy from from these games.
Excellent. Very good. Very, very good. Sanat, what about you? What answers did you give? What thoughts did you have? Um, I asked you to. I left the screen open, and I asked you to answer like if you were, for example, doing a tour for aliens, and you happen to come across a football game. Yeah, you saw that screen, right, Sanat? You don't have to speak by the mic. You can type your answers. How would you explain to them what the game of football is to aliens? You can type, and I will read so other people can hear it, okay? Sana, did you see a screen that I showed you a while ago? Asking, did you hear when I said do a little exercise? Imagine that you were conducting a tour for aliens that came to Earth, and you saw a football game on a stadium, and they were interested, and you had to explain what the game is, why there are no female players, and why do people get passionate watching other people play. If you did not see the screen, if you didn't pay attention to that, or if you didn't hear what I said, then there is really no point in answering anything right now, okay? Um, so next time, if you're away, if you have something else to do, please let me know so that I don't count that you will be joining in for a discussion, okay? Okay, Joseph is not here. Okay, I guess people are having a lot of issues with the connection right now, and it's been like on and off, on and off, on and off. But Solomon, thank you very much. It was a really, really good input from you. And okay, I hope you enjoyed the exercise. Did you enjoy the exercise?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm happy you did. Okay, so let's just I just have a few more things to ask you, and then we'll finish for today. Um, the first thing that I'm interested in, okay, uh, I imagine Solomon, you are studying for rehabilitation, right? What's your
Yes,
major?
yes, yes. Rehabilitation.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Why did you decide to study?
To study rehabilitation, or why I decided to study in the first place.
Yeah. Why did you this decide to study?
Okay, I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Is it why I decided to study rehabilitation, or why I
Why
decided to
did you
study?
decide to the aha ha ha? Why did you decide to study?
I don't know. That wasn't like a decision. Like, it wasn't a debatable decision. It was something I had to do. Like, there was no. I can't. It has maybe okay. Let me explain this way. From my country now, that's like what we do. Like, there's a lot of like there are a lot of schools, there are a lot of educational
Solomon, are you from Nigeria?
institutions. So it's something that we always do. We always have to go to school, no matter how low the
So
school level
Solomon,
is.
are you from
Everybody has to be in school. So
uh-huh.
yeah, I'm from
Solomon, are you
Nigeria.
from Nigeria?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay, I know what's happening in Nigeria. But so basically, you had to study. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Why the field that you chose? Why did you choose a rehabilitation?
Okay. First, I think it's because
Mm-hmm.
okay, I used to be in the medical department before. Like, I studied medicine before I moved
Mm-hmm.
to the rehabilitation. So rehabilitation is just for me is just a way to get really close to the patient, like also being a part of the healing process, not just
Mm-hmm.
being at the background of just giving diagnosis and
Uh-huh.
medicines. So I think there's no way you be in the rehab that you won't have to get a lot of connections or relations with the patients. So that's why I
So
chose.
it was a conscious decision, right? It was a decision based on what you really, really wanted to do, right,
Yes,
Solomon?
yes.
Mm-hmm. Solomon, when did you finish high school?
Uh, 2012.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Excellent. Very nice. Very good. And I want to say that you should be very proud of yourself because, it is a very conscious choice that you made. And not many people are able to, do that at the age that you're in, you see? Um, so be proud of yourself.
Okay, thank you.
You made a conscious choice. It's not
Yeah.
something you weren't forced to do it. And so I really think you should be proud of yourself for doing that. It's very nice. It's very nice to understand the reason why you're in profession and to be able to follow through. So um, very good. Sanat, what about you? I know that the internet connection is really bad, unfortunately. Um, but if you could just maybe somehow contribute to the discussion, if you could type, why did you decide to study? And why did you decide to study in the field that you're in right now? Sanad, are you with us? Okay, for me, it's actually like Solomon. I also was in medical school. Uh huh. Okay, and you started studying general medicine, and now what do you do? Now you changed to nursing. Can you tell me why you changed to nursing? But honest, be honest. If you want, I can stop recording so you can be honest, and no one else can know why you changed to nursing. Should I stop recording? Okay. I stopped recording.